So I got a K9, just pulled it right out. So I got a K9 air cleaner, and the oil is right there. Here's the box. Alright. So pretty much you just spray both sides. And I have it in this box in a bucket because my bucket has a hole. Don't make fun of me. Alright. And the filter didn't look too bad actually compared to my truck filter, so it's actually pretty well. You can see some of the dirt coming off, but it actually didn't look too bad. So I'm gonna it says let it sit for 10 minutes, so that's what I'm gonna do. And then it says to rinse lightly with water, so we're gonna do that. And then it says apply. Alright, so be right back.